It's just me, matey. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your trailers. And keep an eye on your kids, because these Halloween-loving tractors are ready for one wild jamboree. Now let's get ready to fill them trunks with some treats. Hola a todos. Por favor. Para sus seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad bien ajustados y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro de sus carritos y échenle un ojo a sus pequeños. In my shed late one night when she creeped up and she turned her light. With six big old tires and glowing bright eyes, the roar of that engine took me by surprise. Oscar just smiled. From thunder holler, she came for me. Talk about a moving violation. Now y'all look alive and grab all your stuff. Oh boy, this is too much